Welcome and good morning, guys. So yeah, this is now the follow-up video. As you can see, there's still a lot of feathering in my loft. I'm just gonna clean quickly, but what I want to indicate is whilst maybe the majority of fanciers, their birds are finishing up with the molting. You can see, take a look at mine. That bird, the body is full of holes as the feathers are missing as the bird is molting. And with that said, it seems like the care that I'm giving them is actually what is the correct term now? I don't know what is the correct term, but putting them in position now to activate their molt. Yeah, it's activating their molt in the sense that they are almost extreme molting now at this stage. But so some of them, there's a few that is looking nice, their feathering is good, but then there's like this Millie. Look at the tail feathers, look at it done. Doesn't even have a tail, all the tail feathers are broken off. You see. So it's open loft while I'm cleaning, and some of them went out, they took a few circles. He's back now, but the birds overall is looking much better now. So that checker looks nice, the one above him looks nice, and then we have like this checker here. Look how the body looks. So that one's mold has been activated. Look there. It's been activated, and that bird is gonna now only throw away a lot of feathers now. So there you can see still a lot of feathering, and I have cleaned the loft since I'm back. So that is just a short update to show you guys what my birds look like now. Most of them have gained their weight back and are even heavier than they are supposed to be. So I'm gonna trim them, cut them down again. Not completely, but I'm just going to manage the feed for them so that they do not get too heavy, because I can see as they are flying, some of them has excess weight, a little too much for my liking. So there's a few, they are looking much better now. I'm satisfied, they look like pigeons. So let's see what happens over the next few weeks and how things is going, so that we can see whether I'm going to race or not. See, that one is heavy, and the feathers are very, very bad. The condition of the feathers, most of the tail feathers are broken. But there is a few that is alright, as I said. So who knows? Let's see.